Okay, here we are on the GE Carestation 650 this morning, and we're currently setting up or set up to do the pressure limit circuit test for the annual PM. Okay, and I'm going to kind of just show you the setup, the physical setup on that, and then we interface the laptop software, okay, for doing this particular test. So first, notice the peak pressure right now is 105 centimeters of water here. Okay, I just want you to notice that to start, but notice our setup here. Okay, so you can tell that we've removed the bellows again with the bellows canisters in place. Okay, right there, and then we've cross-connected the inspiration and the expiration ports with the short tubing. Okay, and then going over, if you will, to the GE Carestation service application software, and this is interfaced right now with the Carestation itself because we're in service mode. And we went to vent subsystems and pulled up the vent schematic. Okay. And then we turned on the gas inlet valve right here. And we started increasing that slide bar to the right until we got a flow right down here of 109. Now it's settled out at 108.7. And we're going to increase the pressure using the slide bar right here until the gas inlet valve shuts off for the overpressurization, the high pressure cutout, if you will. Okay, so there you have it. Thank you.